Alright guys, today I want to do a video on how you can make $1,000 a week in passive income. Last week was awesome. I had my best week ever with affiliate income and I made $1,000. It's actually right around $950. If you want to make big money doing affiliate marketing, you can do affiliate marketing for Amazon, and I do that. And what I do is I go for more expensive products. Here's the deal. Amazon pays 1 to 3% commissions. I try to focus on $50 to $150 products or more, because then I'm going to get $1 to $3, maybe a little bit more every time I make a sale. But I'm in network marketing because they pay 20% commissions on every sale. If you look at the video that I have on sleep, if anybody orders that product, my commission is $8. $8 is a whole lot better than $1 to $3. And there's 26 million people in the US that struggle with sleep. So that's kind of like what I call the blue ocean strategy. I'm going for people who really need the product and they just don't know that the product exists. So that should be an easy sale. And then I'm using YouTube to leverage my efforts. How I made $1,000 last week is you're going to do all this online stuff to support your network marketing business until it gets big enough to bring you home, because that's where the residual income is at. But you can also do affiliate sales. And by affiliate sales, I mean high ticket affiliate sales. So last week I made 2 sales in which my commission per sale was $500. I think it was $478 or something. I'll put something up in the screen to show you the commission, but 2 sales made me $1,000. Right now I'm just getting started because I just started growing YouTube in the last year or so, but it's growing phenomenally faster than my online blog because there's not so many moving pieces. You don't have to know how to rank something. You don't have to know how to do keyword research and all that kind of stuff. You just make the videos, you edit them, you put them out, you try to keep people engaged. Try to get them to click the like button. So please click the like button. Try to get them to subscribe. If you're not subscribed and you like learning about making money, click the subscribe button. And then try to keep them watching the video, because if engagement is up, you know, if you're watching this video and you watch over 50% of it, that's a pretty high engagement. YouTube's going to show it to more people, and over time it's organically going to grow. If you want to make that kind of money, I would start a YouTube channel. It's not going to happen tomorrow, but it'll grow over time, and start looking at high ticket affiliate sales. If you start getting a sale a month, that's $500. You start getting to a sale a week, now you're looking at $2,000 a month. You start getting to 2 sales a week. I'm looking forward to 2 sales this week. I'm hoping that'll be another $1,000 this week. By the way guys, I forgot to mention this in the original video while I was making it, but if you want to learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, you can learn that by going through a free training by John Crestani. He's one of the mentors that has helped me learn how to do all this. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Now back to the video. Eventually it'll just keep growing. If I get to 10 sales a month, that's $5,000 a month. What's that gonna look like in 10 years? You see what I'm saying? Like, that's leverage. That's why you want to do these type of activities. You know, I invest in land, and here's a video about that, because that's the velocity of money. But you know what? There's also, I don't even know what you would call it, but like the velocity of time, or the velocity of time investment. The world we live in right now, everyone should be doing something online and using the online platforms for leverage. And I believe everyone should be doing network marketing because it doesn't take long. My 2 sales that I made off affiliate income this past week will run my network marketing business for almost a year, because network marketing is the cheapest business with the highest leverage that you can build. And when you add to that the leverage of building online, now you have 2 pieces of leverage working together. 2 of them. God bless. Have a fantastic rest of the year. Make sure you subscribe and like and check out one of my next videos.